promising trends in European tech today? Well, we have a large existing portfolio, and what we've seen over the last couple of years is the move from growth at any cost to prudent growth and getting to profitability as quick as you can. And for those companies needing to raise, achieving the operational metrics that support a good fundraise at a good value. So I see a lot of healthy growth. It's not necessarily reflected in NAVs. You know, we're seeing a lot of flat rounds or rounds with structure and so on. But I'm really encouraged by the operational growth within companies. A lot of great products getting stronger and moving into other countries. I don't know that that's a very general trend, not sector specific, but I'm really pleased with how portfolios are developing. Oh my goodness, we are a sector agnostic firm. We're everywhere. I'm pretty excited about what's going on in some traditional industries like manufacturing. There's of course a geopolitical movement to nationalize quite a lot of important things, from security to security of production, but security in many forms. So there's a lot of work being done there. Of course, I have to say, being 2024, I have to say the application of artificial intelligence to lots of different use cases, that's happening now. That's exciting to see. Too much hype, as usual, as always happens in hype cycles. But a lot of, finally, real applications coming out of that. Largely, the ones I'm most excited about right at the minute is in the medical world. So using MRI data, using X-ray data to diagnose with higher levels of accuracy and with better treatments. And that's really happening. So as I get older, I'm really excited to see better treatments being built by digital technology, because I'll need them at some point. We evaluate potential co-invests, which we do only with our VC partners. So we invest alongside VC funds. It starts from a good relationship with those VCs who are the primary funders. And they often can't fill around, so we join them. We do our own analysis of companies. We have to be a sector, a business we can buy into, and of course pricing. So we do co-invest, but we maintain a pretty strong pricing discipline, which means right now a lot of things with AI on them are pretty expensive for us. But we really leverage our VC partners, who are the smartest investors in Europe, and then put our own point of view alongside that. The benefits are, of course, higher multiples you can get from great direct deals, and blending down the fee burden within funds. It's very important to us, and I'm happy to say that Europe is really leading the world in sustainable business models and integrating sustainability into society. As regards manufacturing, we've backed a number of businesses that are more focused on reuse. Like, rather than buy a new mobile phone, if you can buy a refurbished mobile phone, for example, you save 70% of the total carbon footprint. So there's a lot of very specific direct things you can do like that, which we've done. But also, when we invest with fund managers, we're having a conversation as part of our DD about their approach to all ESG topics, the sustainability being part of that, how they're working with their companies, how they're reporting, and we're asking what sort of reporting we will be able to get over time. So we do monitor that in a very large portfolio and try to influence with best practice. Part of our job is to cross-pollinate good ideas. So if we find a good idea, good practice somewhere, to really help our other business partners adopt that. And that's, fun, and I think is a levered effect across the portfolio.